Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today what I want to talk about is a trip that I took to Yosemite National Park in California a couple of winters ago now. But I want to show you some of the photos that I took there and talk you through some of my process, what it is that I was thinking about and how it is that I took those photos. Also, I wanted to talk to you about how you can take photos like this with just one camera and one lens. This is my Fujifilm X-T1 and this is my 18 to 55mm kit lens, I guess it's called there, but this is an amazing lens. So I want to show you the sorts of photos that I created there with no tripod, no filters, just me, this camera and one lens. Let's go. You'll probably know if you've ever tried it, it's challenging shooting in the snow with the harsh light bouncing around all over the place, and especially when I accidentally pushed the white balance setting so that everything for a while was being shot with a decidedly bluish tinge. But what I found really helped me in these conditions was sticking firmly to my usual practice of exposing for the highlights. Once I did this, I was able to recover any detail in the darker areas using Lightroom. And what helped me to do this too was shooting in RAW, but also checking the histogram when I was shooting to make sure I wasn't crushing the blacks too much, whilst also exposing for the highlights and trying not to blow out my image. I really hope you've enjoyed that video and just get a little bit of an insight into my photography practice. If you did enjoy it, please like and please subscribe as well. Just on the bottom right hand side there's a little subscribe button. Just click on that so you can make sure you don't miss any more videos from me. Thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope to see you again. This photo montage thing is going to be a bit of a regular thing, possibly on a Monday, possibly on a Friday, along with some other stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. Great, thanks for being here. See ya.